Thank you. Nagesh garu, please come. Thanks. Nagesh garu, family, big family. Prashant,
family photo.
Sagar.
May I request? May I request today's guest of honor and also the son of the great psychologist and leader in psychology, and the legendary Dr. B. Bhattavaram's son, B.V. Prashant, to speak for 3 to 4 minutes.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected Chief Guest, Postmaster General Visalachi Madam, distinguished guests, members of the family and friends, we are very grateful for you all. We thank you all for being here today with us. It's a very emotional moment, and we are very humbled by this special gesture of the cover being released today. Now, my father used to say, because he worked on releasing a cover for his father, and I was wondering, what's the significance of this? So he told me that a letter carries message. It's a message of bringing people together, or a message of something that gets delivered. And a stamp carries history, right? A postal stamp carries history, but a special cover carries legacy. and that will remain with us for generations. And all of this is only thanks to the Department of Posts and JCI, and I'd like to, on behalf of my family, very humbly thank you for giving us this opportunity. And madam, thank you for taking time. Your name is very fondly taken at our home because my father's sister's name is Visalakshi, right? So my father has 4 sisters, Kamakshi, Meenakshi, Visalakshi and Rajeshwari, right? So when Jeevan Rajagaru told us about the name, we were very thrilled and very happy. But I know many of you already heard about what my father achieved. In fact, many of you know more than I do because మా నాన్నగారు, I'll switch between Telugu and English. మా నాన్నగారు మీ అందరితోనే ఎక్కువ టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తారు. చాలా మంది అంటూ ఉంటారు మీ నాన్నగారితో మేము ఎక్కువ టైం స్పెండ్ చేస్తాం నీకంటేను. మాకు తెలుసు because I know that was how passionate he was about promoting different things, his friendship and his his whole ecosystem. But I'll talk about 3 things which are values that he passed on to us. Right? The first thing is passion. Mananagar, he took up very unique career paths. Right? When he took up magic, it was not like a very popular choice. Right? In fact, he was questioned at his home, magic came rare. But still, he followed his passion, and it was not just a hobby. He really took it up as a very important mission and achieved success in the field of magic. Likewise, when he took up psychology and counseling, originally it was a meeting as a counselor was a taboo, right? Nobody used to meet, but still he said that this is an area which is important and needed for our community, and he took up his career direction in psychology. In fact, he had a very comfortable plush central government job with Food Corporation of India. He left that and he took up psychology and counseling and put his hard work and then flourished in that. And through all of this, he used to work very hard. It's not easy when he was pursuing magic for fun అని ఒక బుక్ రాశారు. ఆ బుక్ రాసినప్పుడు దానికి ఫార్వర్డ్ కి లండన్ లో పాల్ డేనియల్స్ అని ఒక మెజిషియన్ ని కాంటాక్ట్ చేశారు. ఆ రోజుల్లో ఇప్పుడులాగా ఈమెయిల్స్ జీమెయిల్స్ లేవు. సో హీ యూస్ టు రైట్ లెటర్స్ టు దెమ్ టు మేక్ కాంటాక్ట్, get their relationship building done, and then in fact a Paul Daniels magician has written the foreword for that book, right? So obviously the postal department greatly helped him in his building of his career. In fact, magic లో కూడా ఒక మ్యాజిక్ ట్రిక్ చేసేవారు, దాని పేరు ఎయిర్ మెయిల్ అని పెట్టారు. ఏంటంటే ఒక పిజియన్ ని ఒక బాక్స్ లో యూస్ టు పుట్ ఇట్ హియర్ అండ్ ఇట్ యూస్ టు డిసపియర్ అండ్ ఇట్ యూస్ టు కమ్ ఇన్ అ డిఫరెంట్ బాక్స్. So to promote the air mail, how fast it can go from one place to another, right? So that's why he used to communicate. And lastly, when he took up his career track towards authoring books and all, it was not necessarily the most popular genre in Telugu books, especially personality development was not necessarily there, but he still built a track around that. So for everything, it was driven by passion, and the same passion is what he inculcated in all of us. My wife, she left her computer science career and took up counseling because she said, I don't want to do digital transformation, I want to do human transformation. My mother, she got inspired and she took up her career path in family and marriage counseling, right? And my kids, of course, have taken magic as an inspiration and they do magic in schools and all of that. And that magic as a skill was instrumental in my son getting admitted into UC Berkeley, University of California, Berkeley. He's doing his undergrad in data science there. And my daughter is in 11th grade. She's continuing to do magic at school. So we are all inspired by that and continuing to do our little part in how we can continue. But passion was one thing, but he converted everything into service. Magic was not personal success. That was there, but he took that magic to do many wonderful things. He used to do a lot of funds collection to drive many charitable activities, or remote villages కి వెళ్ళి మూఢనమ్మకాలను నిర్మూలించడం కోసం మ్యాజిక్ ని వాడి ఎలాగ మీరు how you can be careful అని చెప్పి నేర్పించడం కానీ, ఆర్ గవర్నమెంట్ పాలసీస్ అండ్ మెసేజెస్ ని మ్యాజిక్ ద్వారా విజువల్ గా కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయడానికి he used that as a service instrument. Likewise, his counseling and personality development books were aimed towards helping the society by and large, right? It was not less a personal success, growth or whatever, but it was always service, which he was driven by. Love all, serve all was a philosophy that he adopted from Satsai Baba, and he followed that always. And last but not the least, he always told us, every day morning we have a choice. We can choose to be happy, or we can choose to be serious, angry, grumpy, right? అనగానే వారి హ్యాపీనెస్ చాలా కంటేజియస్ గా ఉంటుంది. మనం హ్యాపీగా ఉంటే మన చుట్టుపక్కల వాళ్ళు కూడా ఆటోమేటిక్ గా హ్యాపీగా ఉంటారు. సో లెట్ us choose to be happy, and that is how he was till the very last day. We remember the day before we were all celebrating and enjoying and having fun. He never had any regrets. He always continued to see how he can help everybody around him. So I just want to convey these three as core values that we learned. Beyond the legacy of everything that we are doing, if we are able to incorporate and inculcate those values, I think it will be a great honor to him. So with that, I would like to conclude my small note, but I would like to once again say a few things. Very, very deeply humbled and our gratitude from the family to the Department of Posts and JCI. And a couple of names, if I don't take that, that will be injustice. GVN Rajigaru, he has been instrumental in making all of this happen. Right? I was sitting somewhere in California and all that, but Aina and my Babai, B.S. Nagesh, who's here, my Babai has been with my father throughout, through his magic career, through his counseling career, through his writing career. He has been a massive support, and of course for our family also, he has always been a massive support. So even for this initiative, my Babai and GVN Rajigaru, they brought this all together. So thank you so much, and once again, thank you all for being here today.